Hello and welcome, as today is the 17th day of November 2017. My name is Derek and welcome. Everything you do is within your own risk and your own reward. Have a new microphone, so a lot of that is just testing that, seeing how good of a production I can put out within such, or just testing the audio settings is another way of putting it. Looking at this chart, which had several hits of resistance amongst this trend line, and when you have this little sharp pullback and then it just rallies so fast after that green candle up, and then a sideways move on 18 of lows, then two consecutive green candles up, breaking the 18 average of highs to this trend line, and continuing the consolidation within such. If this thing can break above this, this could be lights out and major gains on the upside. Some volatility that we've barely seen before within such. So it's exciting times, I think, to say the least. And we take a look at this on the weekly chart. When you break these trend lines, you're either going to have a failed break and then come back within it, which was not the case here, or B, work towards establishing a higher rate of ascent. And that's what has been going on. So it looks as if the market is saying, hey, wait a second here. Yeah, this whole new rate of ascent increase thing, almost like a pay raise if you think of something like that. And there's a lot of pay raises going on with Bitcoin holders right now. But you're in a situation where you're like, oh yeah, I want a much higher rate of ascent than what we have. This just isn't good enough. It's too small. Oh, okay. That's why the only rate of ascent that can be greater than this is just pretty much literally going to the moon or going up like a rocket ship. It's just amazing how these patterns are coming into play. I don't think we're out of the woods yet for the test of this 45, 46, 5,000 area, but if this keeps going higher to large degrees, then you would expect the decent sized pullbacks to be much greater than such. For example, when you were breaking here back in the middle of April with price action around 16, 1700, yeah, I'd be telling you, yeah, we're probably going to go back to about 1200 to 1000. Yeah, no problem. Oh, it keeps going up. Next thing you know, it's up to 2900. And I remember saying, yeah, maybe it might have a deep pullback here, but it's probably more likely that it would come down towards here because resistance didn't come where it was supposed to in the 17, 1800 area, and it just kept going higher. So therefore, if you're in a situation here where we're not getting much resistance and this thing just pops up for a large gain, then it can most easily get to the point where the next low would be, well, higher than the last key level it came from, which is around the 4,600 to 5,000 area. All right, then. That will be the conclusion of this, just really testing the sound quality out. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great weekend. Bye-bye.